I was certainly surprised that Tesla did as well as it did. But I do not equate Tesla with Bitcoin.
Good.
Tesla has made some real contributions to civilization. Elon Musk has done some good things that other people couldn't do.
In fact, about Musk's work at Tesla, Munger was very complimentary.
We haven't had a successful new auto company in a long, long time. What Tesla has done in the car business is a minor miracle.
Several Tesla investors look forward to what the company could be worth in a few years. While there are investors who are only betting on the car company for a short term, there are others who are curious about what the value of their investment will be if they hold their Tesla shares a little longer. These days, more and more individuals are confident that owning Tesla stock may turn out to be a fantastic asset, both in the short and long term. So if you're one of those who are quite curious about how much Tesla stock could actually be worth in a few years' time, don't forget to watch until the end of this video, as we're going to be looking at what billionaire investors Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger have to think about Tesla. Let's get started. But before we get on with it, let's welcome you to Tesla Tomorrow. Tesla has achieved an unparalleled stock market surge for an automotive company. At the moment, the automaker has a market valuation close to $600 billion, surpassing every other EV maker on the planet. This $600 billion valuation is really high, and Tesla is working on several new anticipated initiatives that are expected to increase the company's income and revenue and thus improve the stock price even further. The Tesla Cybertruck, FSD, Optimus, and Robotaxi are all but just a few examples. Once Tesla has implemented its AI project successfully, it will be interesting to see how the car company fares in comparison to its rivals, both in terms of growth and profitability. This is one reason why Tesla is regarded more as a tech company rather than a traditional car manufacturer. Likewise, Elon Musk's ability to instill great confidence in investors justifies Tesla's valuation, which is now viewed in the same light as its competitors, or even as more profitable. With the skyrocketing growth of Tesla shares over the past decade, it's no wonder investors are eager to predict what's happening next, and just maybe it could be something big. What do billionaire investors Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger think about Tesla? Keep watching to find out. But before we get on with it, if you like this type of content, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications to keep up to date on everything going on with Tesla. In 2020, during an interview with Yahoo Finance, CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, Warren Buffett, had only a few good things to say about Tesla. At the time, Berkshire had never invested in Tesla, but the company held $6.1 billion BYD stock and about $2.2 billion of GM company stock. Buffett is known to be a big investor in Tesla's main competitor in China, BYD. BYD sold more clean vehicles than Tesla last year, but when EVs are considered alone, Tesla maintains its position as the global leader as BYD also sells hybrid vehicles that combine gasoline and electric motorization. In 2008, Buffett's holding company Berkshire Hathaway invested $232 million to acquire 225 million shares of BYD. Since then, the investment has grown significantly, with BYD's stock price increasing substantially over the years. However, the firm has been reducing its stake in BYD. As of September, Berkshire Hathaway had reportedly cashed in about $600 million of BYD stock in under 2 months, pocketing roughly 35-fold profit on the Chinese company. But despite the reduction, the holding company remains one of the largest shareholders in BYD, with 130.3 million shares representing approximately 12% of the Chinese group. Most analysts have said that the holding company should consider investing in Tesla, since the car company is taking the lead in EV production, and the EV market is predicted to experience exponential growth in the coming years. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has risen to become the most influential CEO worldwide. His charismatic personality and vision of revolutionizing current and future modes of transportation has taken Tesla to a rather incredible point. Musk single-handedly established Tesla's power and notoriety, serving as the embodiment of the brand, and as long as he remains at the helm, investors are likely to continue propelling the company's stock to new heights. Although many investors hold Elon Musk in high regard, one notable exception is the legendary investor Warren Buffett, who fully believes in understanding a company's business before investing in it. Musk said that if Berkshire Hathaway had taken the chance to invest in Tesla in 2008, when the valuation of the company was only $200 million, it would have made a considerable profit today. Berkshire Hathaway Vice Chairman Charlie Munger recently spoke highly of Musk's electric vehicle company Tesla, calling it an amazing feat in the American auto industry. Munger stated that he is surprised that Tesla has performed so well, further reiterating the automaker's strong stance in the EV business. According to him, Tesla has made real contributions to civilization, and Elon Musk, its CEO, has done some good things that others couldn't do. He further cited that there hasn't been a successful new auto company in a long time, describing what Tesla has done in the car business as a minor miracle. However, Charlie Munger has made it very clear that he still has reservations about Tesla. The billionaire disclosed this in a previous statement that he believes BYD is superior to Tesla. Last year, the billionaire investor stated that while Tesla cut its previous vehicle prices in China twice, BYD was actually able to raise its prices. He added that BYD's dominance in China compared to Tesla is almost comical given its vast manufacturing space. Charlie Munger, who serves as Buffett's right-hand man, has been mentioned by Musk before regarding what the entrepreneur considers a missed opportunity for the holding company. According to Musk, Munger had predicted Tesla's failure going back to 2009, stating at the time all the reasons why Tesla would fail. Musk was also quite saddened by this prediction. However, while he agreed with all these reasons stated by Munger, he still noted that an investment in Tesla was worth attempting nonetheless. Buffett and Munger love a good deal and are willing to pay a fair price for a good business. So probably they could scoop up more Tesla shares as the car company demonstrates good potential for growth over the next couple of years. Despite inevitable roadblocks, there is no doubt that Tesla stock is on a roll since the EV company went public in 2010. The shares have gone up over 20,000%, comfortably outpacing the market as a whole and consistently surpassing Wall Street expectations, turning early investors into millionaires. And so to say that Tesla's growth is out of the ordinary would be a massive understatement. Tesla's market value now exceeds $500 billion, and it even surpassed $1 trillion in October of 2021, and again in March last year. A $1,000 investment in Tesla in 2010 will be worth almost $36,000 as of February 4th, 2020. Tesla shares valued at $6,940 in June 2021 will generate around $7,540 in earnings by June 2022, despite numerous forecasts that Tesla's stock will continue to bottom. This gain is significant, and this may be the reason due to Musk's singular leadership style and the fact that his electric vehicle company is years ahead of the competition in terms of product development. Several analysts anticipate greater long-term potential growth for Tesla. Before the market explosion, Tesla stock was valued close to $100, but since then, its value has increased significantly, and those who possess 10 shares of Tesla stock or more have the potential to realize a return on their investment of up to 100 in less than 3 years. A new valuation model that was recently presented by ARK Invest CEO Cathie Woods demonstrates that Tesla shares will be worth $4,000 by the year 2026, which is an increase from the company's original projection of $3,000 in 2025. Interestingly, ARK Invest has revised its model, and the results indicate that the company now anticipates more demand for autonomous ride hails at higher price points than it did back when the first modeled results hit the market. This change is a result of fresh facts and events such as the improvement of fully autonomous driving. ARK has also brought their projections ahead to 2026, which is 1 year earlier than before, despite the expected massive growth. Several investors have also become more convinced that Tesla will find a solution for full, true autonomous driving as a result of their investigation into how consumers perceive the value of their time. If artificial intelligence becomes a major industry, Tesla is at the forefront in the position they need to be, as well as with EVs. And if this is the case, then the company's stock price is likely to increase significantly. Do you share the same thoughts? Let us know down below, and don't forget to tell us what your valuation of Tesla is. And if you want to know more about what Tesla's been up to over the last few days, go ahead and click on this next video on your screen. See you there.